this is Mama's Mad Ideas, and I'm here today with you with another video. In today's video, we will be taking a look at that balcony garden. So let's get ready to go have a look. It's been a little while since I updated you on the garden, but it is doing so well. So those are my sunflowers. Look how tall they are now. They're actually starting to bud now. That's my beefsteak tomato plant. That's an herbal garden that I planted. And look at my cucumbers. They're so tall now I have to zoom out. Look like it's gonna have a lot of cucumbers. Just think, I just started this garden March 15th and look at it now. These are some basils. Look how big those basils are. Fresh basils, and it smells so good. That is a cherry tomato plant that I just started a couple of weeks ago. Those are some of my tomatoes. Those are the heirloom tomatoes. A lot of tomatoes growing on that. Those big tomatoes down there. Some red peppers are going to be growing. Some sweet banana peppers. And back here in the back, I have my kale and my collards in my tub garden system, and they are doing amazing. Some more sunflowers. And these are some purple turnips. And right down here is two different types of onions. So I just wanted to give you an update on how well the garden is doing. It is doing really amazing. I really couldn't have asked for anything more as far as this garden. So I will be giving you updates more frequently on this garden system. Just giving those cucumbers a little bit of water. Take a look at this. These cucumbers were actually started in my tub garden system. They are doing amazing. I want to show you the bottom of the tub and how the water drains at the bottom. I actually created this system. This prevents root rot. The water does not sit in the soil. It actually has plenty of drainage space at the bottom of the tub. If you are interested in knowing how I did this, please go back and follow some of my earlier videos in my tub garden system. This is Mama's Mad Ideas. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to share my videos with everyone. Take care and stay blessed, and I will see you again soon in my next video. Bye-bye.